In this video I'll be using a tire repair kit to repair a puncture in this rear left tire. That's a small screw. Yesterday my wife was driving the car and the tire alert warning light came on in the dashboard. I suspected it wasn't a false warning because 2 weeks ago the same warning light came on and I just repumped the tire to the correct pressure without checking for punctures, but it happened again 2 weeks later, so this time I had to check for puncture. Raised the car with the car jack, rotated the wheel, and I found the puncture from a timber screw. So join me in this video as I fix the puncture with this tire repair kit. The car is a Kia Sorento 2.0 liter. First thing to do is park the car on flat ground. Then I put chock blocks. I have a big 2-ton jack. I couldn't use it because of the position of the jacking point. I had to use the factory jack because it has a groove that slots in and the reinforced plate is actually on the side. So I had to use the factory jack. The wheel is jacked up above ground so I can rotate it. By rotating it, I found this. So that's a timber screw. I will rotate the tire further to see if there's any other punctures. No, it looks like that's the only one. I have put the car into park so that this wheel doesn't rotate anymore. Then I can work with it. Use a Phillips head screwdriver, see if I can screw it out. Yep. Well, there you go. Listen to the air. Here I have the reamer. I'm going to apply some lubricant. Apply some lubricant over the reamer. There'll be more than enough. Plunge the reamer in and out a few times to clean the hole. There you go. I turn it so that it can move in and out. One more time. Second time. Third time. Yep, that should be good enough. This is a packet of the repair strings. I'm just gonna take one of them out. So that's one string. Now to thread the string through the eye of the plunger, I need a pair of pliers to pull it equal length on both sides. Bit more. Just check to see how equal it is. That's equal, that's good enough. Now plunge this in till about 2/3 of the string is inside. Well, you can see the tire is completely deflated. Not that easy. Because the tire is completely deflated, it's a bit difficult. I might have to try and pump the tire back up so it can resist the pressure pushing in. When the tire is flat, it makes it difficult for me to push the plunger in because the tire just collapses inward. So I've connected up my air compressor and I'll start it up and pump the tire up so that it has some pressure. It does have some pressure. Alright, now that the tire is pumped up, has some pressure and resistance, let me see if I can push this in. I think I got it in at last. Yes, at last it's gone in as far as it can. So now pull it out and it should break. It's designed to break. There, it's broken. So the rest of it is stuck in there. Now all I have to do is get the razor which comes with the kit and slowly slice the remnant off. There, that'll do. I'm gonna pump the tire back to the normal pressure, and then I'll use some soap water and test if it's leaking. That's good, that's 33 psi. Now that I've got the tire pumped up to 33 psi, which is the normal pressure, I've got a bucket of soap water. I'll just apply some of the soap water on the repair to see if it leaks. Looks good. I don't see any air bubbles. I think the repair is good. Just worth having repair kits. A word of warning, repairing tire puncture using a tire repair kit is only intended to be a temporary repair. This is to enable the car to be driven to a professional tire repair shop where they remove the wheel, then remove the tire and repair the puncture from inside. All tires need to be permanently repaired by a professional car tire repair shop. Well, I'm happy with the repair. I do hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and to help the channel grow. Thank you so much.